everybody, and welcome back to the next lesson. We're going to be learning about harmonics and octaves. So harmonics are different. The way I like to describe it is different sounds on the handpan. So obviously we have got many different things to go through. So obviously everything has a note. Everything has a minor and major axis, if I say it right, or axis. So we're going to take this one for example. We're going to take this note here for an example. So obviously, as you can see, the notes are more oval shaped than they are circle. So with this oval shape here, this would be your major axis. If I said it right, I could never say it really right. Axis, well, I got axis, and then you've got minor as well across there. So think of it as an X across every note, across the ding. So let's do the ding. It's probably easier. So across the ding, so you got your major and you got your minor. So it's literally, just think of an X in that way. Then you got your compound fifth. Now your compound fifth is a position. So this is your compound fifth here and there. And then you got your octave to the side, to the side. So how does this work? How do harmonics work? Well, then this is how harmonics. So we're going to find I call it the sweet spot. So every single one. So just use a note for example. So there you can see compound fifth, I'm hitting the compound fifth there, and then on the octave part here. Can you hear the sound difference? But I prefer it on the ding. The ding is just more easier. So you've got it all around each note. So top. So that's all you've got. So the ding, so it's really good. So obviously, you know, you got the ding, got the shoulder. I call it the ring. So literally, what you're trying to find is that soft spot to create that harmonic. So as we do on the notes, as you would hit there. So you'd hit there. It's about finding that sweet spot, as I call it, on your handpan. So the next one would be finding it on the ding. So you can hear the ding. Next one, let's find it. So you are going to have to go round and round and round, find that sweet spot. And then once you've found that sweet spot, so you hear the shoulder. We've got the sweet spot. So again, it won't be perfectly around the ding, but it will be somewhere around it. So you got there. So then you find that one. So if you push in hard, I don't know if you can hear it. Sounds like ding, because you're pushing in on it. The next one, there's your second sweet spot. So if you're going to play, you could go. So that is what it is on the ding. Now we're going to do the notes. So let's make it a bit more easy for you guys, so you can see my bigger note. The bigger note, I'm going to use this one. So again, you find. There's the sweet spot. And then you do the second one. Got the sweet spot. But that note, I must admit, that note on the curd D for me, I absolutely hate it. I don't like that. Don't like it. Don't know why, just not feeling. So that is finding the harmonics. So then these are just little extra bits that you put into a song. So say if you was just mucking about and you wanted to play a bit of a song, but you want to add them in, so you could have just gone like a nice simple one, which is. So it's just finding it. Now, I don't really like to use them in my music, because for me, I just find them a bit dulling out. I like this one. So I like to play, if you see my videos, I like to play a lot of. So just add it, and again, you don't have to use that. You can also dull the note as well, just to make it. So you can literally. See, there's many different techniques. There's so many techniques, but that's mainly harmonics with obviously the compound fifth. Obviously with the octave, I will put up a picture of it during obviously the video to explain it. So if you wanted to, just pause the video. So again, it's just about finding new ways to find different sounds on your handpan. Like I say, it's just basics. It's just basics, but it's just finding. So again, just have fun, and that's all it simply is. Harmonics are just extra. I call them like little step, half a step up type of things, just to give you that bit more sound. That's all it is. Nice simple things like that could really spice up your music and spice up your jam, and just have a bit of fun with it. Again, same as I always say, have fun and enjoy your handpan. That's what it's all about. But like I said, if this video has helped you just discover a little bit more into the handpan world, then please give me a like and a share and a subscribe, because a subscribe really does help as well. So obviously, thank you ever so much, and I'll catch you again very, very soon.